Okay, so I'm going to give a quick demo of the new Temeda app. Once you install it, go to the App Store or go to Google Play and just search for Temeda and go ahead and install it, and then you'll get an icon like we see right here. It has the Temeda logo. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And the first thing we need, and we only have to do this once, but you need to enter an access code. So the way you get your access code, to use the Temeda app, you need to be an existing Temeda customer, and you need to have an existing user ID and password in the system already. So if you have that, you're all set. If you don't, you have to talk to your Temeda system administrator, and they set you up with a user ID and password. And then what you do is you log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. So I'm logged into our system here. And the way you get your access code is you go up to Settings and you go to your user profile, and you can get your access code right down here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that number. Switch screens. Okay, and hit Verify Access Code. And then go ahead and just enter your normal email and password. Okay, and then that brings up the home screen. Okay, so that was a quick overview of the new Temeda app.